What if I told you you could make money using ChatGPT without any coding or experience? That's right. In 2025, people around the world are earning real income using the power of AI. And today, I'll show you step by step how you can do it too. The easiest way to start is freelancing. Go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and offer services powered by ChatGPT, like blog writing, email marketing, or script generation. Clients don't care how you do it, they just want fast, high-quality results. Use ChatGPT to deliver content in minutes and earn for every project. Next, create YouTube videos, blogs, or social media posts using ChatGPT. It can write your scripts, video titles, and even SEO descriptions, just like this one. Use AI to speed up content creation and grow your audience, then monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Want to earn even while you sleep? Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, online courses, or prompt packs, then sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. Thousands of people are already making passive income from AI-generated content, and you can too. The secret isn't working harder, it's working smarter with AI. ChatGPT can help you earn, create, and grow faster than ever before. So if you're ready to start your AI journey, hit subscribe and join Sprintzeal, where we teach you how to use AI tools, tech, and skills for the future. Because in 2025, our knowledge isn't power anymore, AI is.